Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing the new Pokemon Sprigatito. Let's get started. We're actually going to be starting with a pencil today to sketch it out and then finishing it off with a marker. So to start, we're going to do a oval for the head. Make sure it's on the left side a little bit. Make sure the oval is a little bit of a medium-sized shape. Let's just sketch out the oval. Once you're happy with your oval, we're going to draw a line in the middle, but make sure it's curved. This is going to be the center line for the face, and a line from this side to this side also curved for the other center line. This will help us put in the facial features. To start with the face, we're going to go from right here on the right side of this middle line, and we're going to do an oval. Slant it out a little bit. That's going to be the oval for the first side. And for this side, we're going to do the same thing, slant it the other way. Like so. Make sure they're both good. And then right in the middle of this to right below this line, we're going to do a little nose. Just going to be simple triangle like that. Once you're done with that, we're just going to give it the mouth. It's going to be a U shape here, and then one on the other side right to around this point. Really easy with these center lines to help us out. Once we're around there, we could just do the mouth, which is going to be starting from this point down to around here. We're just going to do a big U like that, and then the two little teeth on either side and the tongue. Since the face is done but the eyes aren't in, we're going to add the eyes. For the eyes, we're going to just repeat this oval shape but a little bit smaller right inside, like so. And then one more smaller one right here. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So one and smaller. Just make that sure it's a round oval. And with these two done, we're just going to add a little circle where the highlight's laid. And that's mostly what the face is, but we do need to add the pattern in. The pattern, it's like almost like a leaf shape, so we're going to go from the middle of the eye right here, and we're going to go up. Don't touch the top of the head, and we're going to go down right in the center, right to this point, this line we drew. And we're going to repeat the same on the other side, and then touch the top of the eye right here. And we're gonna do two more lines. It's gonna look almost like the eyelashes. So we're gonna go out and then down all the way here and repeat the same for the other side. If you mess up, just use an eraser and then erase it out. But yeah, just follow along and erase what you need to, pause what you need to. And we should get this drawing completed. So we're going to do the two whiskers on each side now. We're going to start from the middle of the eye right here. And we're going to go for the first whisker, which is going to be a shape like this. And then we're going to do a smaller one right in between. And then we're going to repeat this shape right below. So starting from around here, the bottom of the mouth over. We're going to go down and down like so to complete one side. We're going to repeat all of this on the other side. So from the center line we drew earlier, we're going to go up, down, and we're going to repeat this shape. So it's going to be like that. And then we're going to go down, and from the middle of the eye, down like that. Those are the two whiskers on each side. And then let's finish off the head with the ears. So from this point where we do the eyelash, we're going to start the ear, go up around, let's say this point, and then go down, not meeting in the middle. We're going to go to the left of that a little bit and go down. And then we're going to do the center line, repeating the same thing but give it a little bit of space. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Just try to match the height of this. Go up and then go down to maybe right here to the right of this lash. And then we're going to do the same shape inside. That's looking good. Let's draw a little bit of the chin in real quick, darkening these areas so we could have a reference point to draw our black outlines later. And that completes the head. Now we just need to draw the body and we should be good to go for the inking. For the body, we're gonna do almost like a circular shape right here first, and then this is gonna prep us to draw the front of the body. Just a small shape, and then we're gonna do another one right behind it, right around here. So we're gonna have these two circles, and we're gonna connect this line down, and this is gonna be the neck to the back. And then for the belly, we're gonna just draw a line from here across, and that should be overall the body of it. And then let's draw the legs in before we draw the rest of the details, because the leg is gonna be behind everything. For the leg, we're gonna start from the outside of this circle and go down to around this point right here, and then we're gonna draw another line right next to it, down right there, and we're gonna give it a little paw going out a little bit only. That should be good. I'm gonna draw a line right across and then go down, little paw out. We're gonna go back up all the way to around this point. And these are the two front legs. And the hind leg actually starts pretty early, so just give it a little bit space to the right. We're gonna go down, curve like this. Reverse the curve to this point. And then we're gonna draw a little U. Make sure they're all in the same line like this. And then we're gonna go up, curve back up, and then we're gonna meet it up to this top point. We went a little far, so we're gonna actually use the eraser now to erase a little bit of the back. So we're gonna go up here and then meet with that point for the back. And then for the hind leg, it's just gonna be a simple shape like this, and it goes behind everything else. And we're good to go. Let's do the tail real quick. So this is the behind. We're just gonna go right here. Start from here, and we're gonna go all the way over to this point. And then we're gonna curve backwards and down to around here to get that main tail shape. And it just has one little whisk. So we're gonna go here, and then from this point, right here, we're gonna connect it for the back. That's looking really good. Clean that area up a little bit, and then we're just gonna draw a little line here for the thigh. All that's really missing is the center fur part, and that's gonna be pretty easy. It's just gonna be these three leaf shapes, one in the middle, one on the left, and one on the right. And we're gonna do a bigger one. So to do the big one, we're gonna go from this point, flare up. From this point, go down. And then we're gonna flare out, back in. One to the center. And repeat this thing on the other side. Flare out. And then flare up. And I think that's all the details we need. All right, all we really need now is to ink it. So I'm gonna ink it real quick. So you just wanna follow the lines you drew with your pencil marks, and we're gonna ink it, and then we're gonna add color at the end. So I'm gonna speed this part up a little bit. Just a little bit more cleanup. And there we have it. Your Leaf Cat Pokemon for the new Pokemon starters. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.